One UI 7 came with a lot of exciting new features that most users seem to enjoy. But despite that, I've been getting a lot of comments on my recent videos about poor battery performance, especially on the Galaxy S23, S24, and S25 Ultra, as well as a few other models. So I decided to make this quick video to talk about it. Now, I'm not a tech expert, so I won't be offering any complicated fixes. But I can definitely suggest a couple of simple things that might help, or at least make sure Samsung is aware of the issue and possibly working on a solution. Just to be clear, I'm referring to battery drain issues that started after upgrading to One UI 7, which is based on Android 15. This isn't about long-standing battery problems on Galaxy devices, it's specifically about problems after the update. One of the most likely reasons for the battery drain could be the software itself. The firmware update might be causing unusual battery usage, and unfortunately, only Samsung can fix that through a future update. That's why it's really important to report the issue directly. Here's a quick way to do that. Open the Samsung Members app, tap on Support, then scroll down and find the option called Send Feedback. Tap that, and then choose Error Reports. After that, select Battery, Charging, Power as the category. Now describe your issue. Something like battery draining quickly after One UI 7 update, and mention the exact update if you know it. Once you hit Submit, the app will begin sending log files to Samsung. Don't close the app or turn off your screen until that's done. This step makes sure Samsung's technical team gets the details and can hopefully fix the issue in an upcoming patch. Without reporting, they might not even know a widespread problem exists. You can also post about it in the community section within the Members app. It helps others see that they're not alone and adds more visibility to the issue. Another possible cause for battery drain could be certain apps running in the background. To check this, go to your phone's settings, tap Battery, and then choose Since Last Charge, or Battery Usage. This will show you which apps have been using the most power. If there's an app draining a lot of battery and you're not actively using it, it might be running quietly in the background. In that case, you can uninstall it, archive it, or put it to sleep, whichever works best for you. Sometimes even system apps or third-party apps can keep running in the background without you noticing, so it's always good to check your usage stats regularly and take action if something looks off. So, these are 2 simple steps you should try if your phone's battery is draining too fast after installing the One UI 7 update. If it's a firmware issue, Samsung will hopefully fix it in a future patch. If it's an app problem, you can deal with it manually by adjusting app settings or removing what's not needed. Some users have also said that clearing the cache partition can improve battery life. From what I've seen, this helps with overall performance by removing temporary system files, though it doesn't always directly fix battery drain issues. That's it for now. If you're also facing battery problems after the update, drop a comment below and share your experience. It helps the community know they're not the only ones. And if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might be going through the same thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.